So here we have the Vauxhall Zafira 1.4 turbo design on a 66 plate. We'll show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls. You may have noticed in the front bumper this car's got front parking sensors. It has rear as well. Alloy wheels, 5 doors as well. Let's start off inside the boot and then we can work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see the reversing sensors that I mentioned before. Currently all 7 seats are in place, as you can see. So this is the boot space you'd have with those 2 rear seats folded up. Let me show you what it's like when they are folded down. There you go, and that's with them folded down. So as you can see, you get loads of boot space. Those 3 what would be middle seats, currently back seats, will also fold down to give you even more space should you need it. So I'm just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through those controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I jump in the car, I wanted to show you the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition, as are the carpet areas. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. The fuel gauge and oil temperature gauge appear at the top, and then underneath that we've got a trip computer, which at the moment is showing the digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there using controls on the indicator stalk. And then underneath that you'll see the total miles for this car are 14,733. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone, and on the left hand side we've got cruise control and speed limiter just there. Over in the central display here, it's all touch screen. This is where you would set up your phone, for example, by hitting phone and then following the instructions on the screen, or you can hit the home button to go back to the main menu. If we go audio and source, you can see that there are a number of ways to listen to music on this car. We've got AM, FM and DAB digital radio, a USB input, and you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. And with a smartphone connected directly via the USB cable, you can project certain Vauxhall friendly apps so that they can also be displayed up here, which is really handy. Beneath that we've got the air conditioning. So temperature is adjustable over this side, fan speed just here. That button will turn the air conditioning on or back off again, and then you've got rear screen heat. You can divert the air conditioning to the front screen should you wish to, feet, face or windscreen, all 3 if you wish to as well. So all of that is very easy to use. We've then got the 6-speed manual gearbox. This button here will turn on or off the front parking sensors, and you can turn off traction control from there. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.